This guide will walk you through how to view your recently watched or interacted reels on Instagram. Currently, there's no straightforward way to see every reel you've recently watched. But there are alternative methods to track your activity. Start by opening Instagram and tapping on your profile icon in the lower right corner. Once on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the upper part of the screen to access the menu. From there, select Your Activity. In the Your Activity section, you'll find options to view your interactions, such as posts you've liked, commented on, bookmarked, or been tagged in. For instance, if you like a specific reel, it will appear under the Likes section. By navigating there, you'll see a list of all the reels and posts you've interacted with recently. Similarly, you can tap on Comments to view posts you've commented on and revisit them if needed. Another useful feature allows you to manage your interactions in bulk. Under the Likes section, you can use the Select option to choose multiple reels or posts and then tap Unlike to remove your likes from all of them simultaneously. Additionally, if you find a reel you particularly enjoy, you can save it for future reference. Tap the three dots on the reel. Select the bookmark icon labeled Save, and the post will be saved privately. To access saved posts later, go back to the menu. Select Saved, and you'll see a collection of everything you've bookmarked. While Instagram doesn't currently offer a hassle-free way to review all recently watched reels, these methods allow you to track and organize the content you've interacted with effectively.